Minimum what you can earn monthly is 187,500 naira. Can you earn in dollar working with iTrade? The answer is yes. Yes, you can work with iTrade and earn in dollar. Can you work with iTrade and earn in naira? The answer is yes. Is iTrade an investment company? The answer is no. No, iTrade is not an investment company. If you can see me right now on your screen, it means you have decided to work and earn with iTrade. Let's go. iTrade. Now, what is iTrade? iTrade is a trading academy that specializes in trading and training. What do they trade and what do they train? They trade Forex, binary, and crypto. And they equally train people on what they trade. The reason why you are here is how to earn. You want to know how to earn working with iTrade. You can work with iTrade even while you are still working with anybody. All what you need to do is tell people about iTrade Academy. We train them and we pay you. We put you on salary. Number two, you are working remotely with us and you are earning even more than somebody that is on site. Why must you work with iTrade? You will be the only one that train you and fund your account. You can't see it anywhere. Why must you choose to work with iTrade? Because we make the system easy for you to operate. You can start registering now as I'm talking to you. Now the link is available. Now what do you do to earn this amount working with iTrade, right? What do you do? Let's go there. All right. Now what we do is trading and training. Let's say you are a student of iTrade. After training, we will mentor you, fund your account. Then we will still put you on monthly salary. You can see the studio here. This is where, if you are within Abuja, this is the studio where you are coming to learn. But if you are far away, no problem. You will learn online. Okay? You can work with us outside and you can learn with us outside. Now, okay, let's go to the main point. I just want you to understand every aspect of this work that you are coming to do before we get to the main point why you are here. I know what you want to know, which is the earning aspect for you. You are not investing, you are coming to learn. Now, let's assume you come to learn with iTrade. This is you. You are now opportune to bring Femi, you bring Mega, and you bring Joseph to come and learn with us. You introduce us to Femi, Femi now come to learn from us. You introduce us to Mega, Mega now come to learn from us. You introduce us to Joseph, Joseph now come to learn from us, right? As Joseph, Femi pay to learn, you are earning 25%. You will earn 25% from whatsoever amount Femi is paying. Okay, Mega paid whatsoever amount, whatsoever package Mega paid, you will earn 25%. Whatsoever package Joseph paid to learn, you will earn 25%. Good. Now, if Femi that you brought to learn now do the same thing that you did here to introduce us to 3 other persons, Mega introduced us to 3 other persons. Joseph did the same thing. We will still pay you from whatsoever Femi paid. We are paying you the 25% of this same amount. You will be earning 25% because you introduced Femi and Femi decided to introduce Esther, right? And Joy with, let me say, Peter. All right? You are earning 25% from everybody here. Calculate the 25% here. In total, let's say the minimum package for our academic plan is 62,500. All right? The minimum that anybody can pay to learn is 62,500 naira. All right? Now, when you multiply this amount, 25% of this in 3 places times 12. All right? This is in 9 places. This is 3 also. This is, you are earning 25% of this 62,500 in 12 places, which will, in total, it will result to 187,500. And once this happens, we are not just going to pay you once because you are a student. Listen to me, this is the interesting part. Because you are a student, you paid to learn, right? And you decided to introduce people, and all these people too, these 3 people you introduced, decided to introduce other 3 people under their own. Automatically, we will favor you with monthly salary. We are giving you this amount every month. You will not be limited. But even if you did not introduce us to any other person again, even if you did not introduce us to any other person further again, that you only introduce us to 3 people, and those 3 people decide to introduce us to their own 3 people, even if you do not do anything again, go and rest. Every month we will be paying you this. All right? What if, okay, let's say this is the amount of the package that you bought. That is why you are earning this. We have a higher amount of packages that will make you to earn times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 10 of this amount monthly. Okay? If you apply this same method, must you be a student to earn this amount monthly? The answer is yes. For you to be able to earn this as a salary monthly, you must have gotten your own package. You must have paid to learn before you will be able to earn monthly. Okay, what if I don't want to be a student? I'm already a trader. I don't want to learn again. And I don't want to pay this money to learn. Can I still earn this money? The answer is yes. The answer is yes, but it will not going to be monthly. We will only pay you for the referral percentage. All right? You only earn your 25% on direct referrals. Direct referrals, we will not give you from these people. Are you getting the benefit now? We will not give you from extended. All right? But direct referrals, you will get your 25%. Don't worry. You don't have money to pay to learn, or you have the money but you don't want to pay. Don't worry. Introduce people to us, and then you earn your 25% instantly. Withdrawable 25%. All right? Me, I want to work with iTrade. I don't want to learn. I don't want to refer. I don't even have anybody to refer. And I don't want to come and learn how to trade Forex. crypto or binary. Okay, how do I earn with iTrade? We still have plan for you. Yes, we have what we call AI that trade for us with the aid of our traders on seat. All right, what do this AI do? AI help us to earn minimum of 3 to 5% monthly, right? Minimum of 3 to 5% monthly, guaranteed. Okay, now when you are not going to give us your money, any broker of your choice, create your account with them, put in your money. We will only connect your account to our own master account to copy trading. Any amount we make, any profit we make on our own, it will reflect on your own account, and monthly you will be taking out your profit. Okay, I don't want to create my own account. What do I do? Okay, we have what we call PAM management, PAM account. All right. Okay, how does this PAM work? Meaning, we will have a center account where iTrade manage. Okay, where iTrade manage, you send in your own 100 naira, Peter send in his own 200 naira, this one send 500, this one send 400, in total 600, 700, let's say 1,200, let's say $1,200. All right, this iTrade will now be trading this account, and you will be set on auto because our AI will be the one trading this account for you. It is not only your money in this account. All right, it is not only your money in this account, but your own deposit is here, and what you will be earning from this account will be according to the percentage of your own volume that enter, your capital that enter. That will be your percentage. If they are paying 5% monthly or 3% monthly, automatically the system know the percentage, the 3% of $100 that you put into this account monthly. Once it is time, the system will take it out into your own account for you, your bank account. All right, automatically your own percentage, your profit will be taken out. You are not giving us your money. Remember, you are depositing your money into a PAM account. We have PAM account to manage funds. We have copy trading system to help you trade your own money. You are not giving us your money in your own account. As far as you are 18 and above, 18 years and above, we can train you, we will mentor you. And the beautiful part of it is, we will not only train you. Listen, we are not only training our students, we will train you, mentor you. Okay, we will fund you. We train you, we mentor you, we fund you. And after, see what we do, after training you, we mentor you into a certain level. We will now fund your account for you to start training and earning your own money for yourself. Okay, you will earn the money for yourself, but we will still not leave you to trade this fund alone. You will still be under mentorship. You see what you are benefiting, right? Okay, if I want to learn, how much do I pay? What are the packages am I going to pay? What are the packages and the benefits that I stand to earn? Good. Permit me to clean this. The packages now, you can see we have the minimum package is 62,500. First package 125,000, 250,000, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, 8 million, the highest is 16 million. All right, they all have their own benefits attached to them. Okay, if you want to see more of the benefits, the best thing you can do, and first of all, I say thank you for watching this video up to this length. Come back to the person that forwarded this video to you, all right, and continue your discussion. You will get all the benefits to these listed packages. Okay, what if you want to earn in dollars? No problem, we have the packages for dollars and they will forward it to you if you are interested. I don't want to earn in naira, I want to earn in dollars. No problem. Okay, what you do is you buy your package in dollar and you refer people in dollar, you will earn in dollar. But if you buy your package in naira, you refer people in naira, you will earn your money in naira. All right, don't try to register on your own. No, if you register on your own, the system will not recognize you.